Forget expensive creams for a second. What if one simple spoon a day could do more for your skin than all those expensive products combined? No 10-step routine, no complicated steps, just one small habit. Because here is the truth most people miss. Creams only work on the surface, but wrinkles do not actually start there. They begin deeper inside your body, where your skin is built, repaired, and supported every single day. Once you understand that, everything about anti-aging starts to look very different. Now here is where it gets interesting. By day 3, something subtle begins to shift. By day 5, your skin starts to feel different to the touch. By day 7, most people notice one surprising change. Not just how their skin looks, but how it behaves. So what exactly is this one spoon? And more importantly, why are most people using it completely wrong? If you are over 40 or 50, you have probably noticed changes in your skin. It feels thinner, less firm. Fine lines become more visible, especially around your eyes and mouth. So you try different creams, different brands, maybe even expensive treatments. At first, it feels like something is working. Your skin looks a little smoother, a little more hydrated, but it does not last. The dryness comes back. The dullness returns. That natural glow you remember still feels out of reach. And this is where it becomes frustrating. Because no matter how much you apply on the outside, the results never feel stable or consistent. Here is the truth. It is not just about what you put on your skin. It is about what your skin is missing internally. And this is where most people are focusing in the wrong direction. Your skin is constantly renewing itself. But for that process to work, your body needs the right building blocks. If those are missing, your skin cannot repair and maintain itself the way it used to. That is why results from creams often feel temporary. They can improve the surface for a short time, but they do not fix what is happening underneath. The real shift happens when you start supporting your skin from within. When your body has what it needs, your skin can rebuild, repair, and hold moisture more effectively. That is when changes start to feel more consistent instead of coming and going. And before we go further, if you are finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, science-based health tips. Day 1 to 2. The first internal shift. Let's start with the first step. 1 spoon of collagen. Most people get this wrong. They think applying collagen on the skin is enough. But this is where things change. Real support begins inside your body. When you take collagen consistently, your body starts using those building blocks over time. Not instantly, but steadily. Here is a simple tip. Add 1 spoon to your morning drink. Keep it at the same time every day. Consistency matters more than timing. At first, the change is subtle. Your skin may feel a little less tight in the morning, maybe slightly more comfortable after washing your face. Nothing dramatic, but something feels different. And this is where it begins, because the next step determines whether your body can actually use it. Day 2 to 3. The activation most people miss. By day 2 or 3, this is where things start to become more noticeable. Most people do not realize this, but collagen alone is not enough. Your body needs vitamin C to actually use it properly. Without it, the process is incomplete. So here is the small adjustment. Pair your collagen with something simple, like lemon water or a small piece of fruit. You do not need more. You just need consistency. Around this point, your skin may start to feel slightly more supported. Not just hydrated, but more stable and balanced. But here is the problem. Many people expect visible results right away. And this is where everything starts to change. Day 3 to 4. Hydration becomes visible. By day 3 or 4, this is where people begin to see a small difference. Most people think hydration is just about drinking more water. But this is where they get it wrong. It is not just how much you drink, but when and how consistently you hydrate. If your body starts the day dehydrated, your skin reflects that. It looks dull. It feels dry. Fine lines appear more noticeable. Here is a simple tip. Drink water early in the morning before coffee, then continue steadily throughout the day. Around this point, your skin may start to look less dull by midday, slightly more even, less tight when you smile or move your face. And this is where it gets interesting, because the next change is something you start to feel more clearly. Day 4 to 5. The sugar effect most people ignore. By day 4 or 5, this is where things become more noticeable. Most people think wrinkles are just about aging, but this is where they get it wrong. Daily sugar plays a much bigger role than they realize. Sugar affects how your skin looks over time, especially when it is consumed frequently. But here is the part that surprises people. It is not just desserts, it is the hidden sugar in everyday foods. Here is a simple tip. Do not remove everything, just reduce how often you consume it. Around this point, your skin may start to look slightly clearer, less dull, a bit more even in tone. And this is where the shift becomes stronger, because the next stage is where people really start to feel it. Day 5 to 6. Texture and comfort shift. Now this one feels different. By day 5 or 6, your skin may start to change in a way that is hard to describe, but easy to notice. Most people miss this, but how your skin feels is often the first real sign of progress. You may notice it feels softer, less dry throughout the day, less tight after washing, more comfortable overall. It is not dramatic, but it is consistent. Here is a simple tip. Keep everything simple. Do not add too many products. Let your body respond to the pattern you have created. And this leads to the final stage, where most people make the biggest mistake. Day 7. What most people get wrong. By day 7, something subtle but important starts to happen. Your body begins recognizing the pattern you have been repeating. And this is where most people get it wrong. They expect fast, dramatic changes, or they stop too early because they do not see enough progress. But skin renewal does not work that way. What you are building is not a quick fix. It is a steady internal response that develops over time. If you stay consistent, you may notice your skin feels more stable, more hydrated, slightly smoother, not perfect, but clearly different from before. So what does all this really mean for you? It means expensive creams are not the full answer. What you do consistently matters more than what you apply occasionally. And here is the key idea to remember. Your skin does not respond to what you do once. It responds to what you repeat. Try it for 7 days. Not perfectly, just consistently. And pay attention to one thing: how your skin feels throughout the day. Because that is where real change starts. And if you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, practical health tips that actually make a difference. Because sometimes, the smallest habits create the most noticeable results.